Very good. Now we're gonna relax, sit down, close the eyes, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Very, very deep. Through your nose, out through your mouth. Through your nose, out through your mouth. Very, very deep. Relax, 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 and relax. Breathe in and breathe out through your nose. Breathe in and out through your nose. Breathe in and out through your mouth. Breathe in and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your mouth. Breathe in through your mouth. Relax. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your nose. Breathe in through your mouth. Out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Relax. Focus on your breathing. Deep, very, very deep. Relax. Now, we're gonna go deeper now. And I'm gonna count from 20 down to 1. Focus on your breathing. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Now let's imagine, visualize a very strong light right at the top of your head. At the back of your head, very, very bright. It's coming down now through your neck, relaxing your shoulder, your hands, going out through your fingers, relaxing your chest, your back, your stomach, down through your legs, down all the way to the center of the earth. Relax, very, very relaxed. Now we're gonna connect with the energy of the opportunities. We're gonna activate the dragon virtue. Every day and every way, I am comfortable expressing myself, asking for support. Every day and every way, I am willing to ask for support from people that is willing to help me with their kind heart. Every day and every way, I am becoming open and expressive, showing my talents. Every day and every way, I am aware of the support that is available. Every day and every way, I am growing my skill set and trusting the process. Every day and every way, I am clear on my objectives and vision in life. Every day and every way, I am connecting through my heart with people that see my worth. Now, we are activating the Emperor Star to activate the commanding power. Every day and every way, I am confident on my worth. Every day and every way, I am in command with my unconscious mind, and I command my unconscious mind to be available to guide other people and the planet. Every day and every way, I am commanding my unconscious mind to be a source of influence to humanity. Every day and every way, I am in command of my unconscious mind to see opportunities to guide others to solve their problems. Every day and every way, I am commanding my unconscious mind to be a source of wisdom to guide those in need from my skill set. Every day and every way, I am powerfully in control of my actions towards creating my future. Every day and every way, I am empowering myself with the correct tools and making wise decisions with the right people. Every day and every way, I am creating resources of support for myself and humanity. Every day and every way, I am accessing resources available out there to grow. Now, we are deactivating the low vibrational energies from the brutal defeat. Every day and every way, I am safe and content. Every day and every way, I am surrounded by supporting environment. Every day in every way, I am in control of my outcomes and results in life. Every day in every way, I am in command of my unconscious mind, directing my action towards achieving my goals with greatness. Every day and every way, I am directing my imagination to win every time. Every day and every way, I am in control of my destiny and outcomes in my life. Every day and every way, I am growing my mindset and heart intentions towards helping the world become a better place for everybody. Every day and every way, I am safe, protected, surrounded by the legions of archangels light and love, protecting my steps all the way to greatness and success. Every day and every way, I am holding hands with Archangel Michael, protecting my light in this world.